Hey guys, Manny Lettenbichler here. I'm riding for the Red Bull KTM factory racing team. And I'm super excited to present you guys the limited edition KTM 350 EXC-F WESS machine. This is a special tribute to the WESS Championship. It's such an all-rounder and you can ride it in any kind of terrain. And at the end, this is what WESS is all about. Yeah, the bike is based on our factory bikes. It got the orange frame, the factory wheels and the factory seat. And for the first time, it comes with the WP XACT airfork, which is a big upgrade. I think it's really cool that they took our feedback into a production bike, and I really love riding this machine.